Do you want to learn how to cook fried rice? In my opinion, fried rice is the perfect food. It's a good combination of protein, vegetables, and carbohydrates. The best part about fried rice is that it is so easy to make. You can add anything you want into it, and it usually tastes really good. Plus, if you have leftovers, you can add your leftovers to your fried rice. Here is how to cook fried rice. Step 1. Check your fridge for leftovers. Leftovers like rotisserie chicken, hot dogs, and sausages are easy protein to add to your fried rice. Step 2. Add your aromatic. Add at least one aromatic, such as onion or garlic. Step 3. Add your protein. I added leftover kielbasa to my fried rice. Step 4. Add scrambled eggs. Eggs are an easy way to add protein to your fried rice. Step 5. Add vegetables. Frozen peas, carrots, and corn are great to add to your fried rice. Step 6. Add cooked rice. Leftover rice is ideal for fried rice, but if you don't have leftover rice, freshly cooked rice will do. Step 7. Add soy sauce. Drizzle some soy sauce on the rice. Add some salt as well. And don't forget to keep tasting your fried rice as you cook. Step 8. Mix all the ingredients together. You probably noticed that I cooked each ingredient separately first and then I mixed it all together. It's easier to do it this way because cooking times don't match up. Step 9. Serve and enjoy. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more food videos like this.